Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use LinkedIn for business networking. So in order to do that, you first need to make sure that your profile is optimized. So make sure to upload right here a picture and also a background. And your background needs to have your name as well as your picture and also your title. As you can see, I'm a fashion designer for hire, so you can head over and then just optimize your actual profile right here. So in here you can also see the suggestions, your analytics, profile views, resources, about page, activities, and a lot more. So if you want to use LinkedIn for business networking, you can head over and then connect with people that is on the same line of business that you want. So for example, you want to look for clothing ambassadors. So you can head over and then look for them. So searching here for that, and then once you have searched for that, you should be able to see people that are clothing ambassadors. Like, you can filter it to people right here and you can see them right here. Some are photographers, content creators, and a lot more. So you can head over and then just choose on which one for them and then head over and then just connect with them. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll try best to answer. Thanks.